2 months ago, a customer came into my shop with his 2014 Toyota Camry for just a routine maintenance. The odometer of the car was showing an unbelievable 350,000 miles, but the engine was still running smooth and quiet, like it had barely crossed 100,000 miles. So, I decided to dig deeper to find the secret behind this high-mileage Toyota, because something was clearly different about the way he maintained it. When I checked the cooling system, I was honestly shocked. The inside was incredibly clean, with almost no visible buildup or nasty deposits that you would normally expect to see in a car with this kind of mileage. So, I asked the owner, "What's your secret?" He smiled and told me about a simple maintenance trick he had learned from a Japanese mechanic years ago. And the ingredient behind it was something you probably already have sitting in your kitchen right now: distilled white vinegar. So, I decided to test this trick first on my 2015 Honda Accord. When I flushed my cooling system using white vinegar, the results shocked me. The coolant passages and components looked noticeably cleaner afterward, and the cooling system was able to operate more efficiently. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step Japanese process for flushing your cooling system using white vinegar. First, let's understand why you must clean your cooling system. Every single engine cooling system operates in an extremely hostile environment of extreme heat, rapid thermal cycles, and high pressure. Over time, the protective corrosion inhibitors engineered into your antifreeze naturally degrade. This causes the fluid to turn acidic and lose its protective capabilities entirely. Once those chemical inhibitors fail, then electrolysis begins occurring between dissimilar metals like iron engine blocks and aluminum radiators, which in result generate dense iron oxide rust sludge. Simultaneously, if anyone previously topped off the system with standard tap water, then hard minerals like calcium and magnesium instantly precipitate out under heat to form hard scale deposits. This combined layer of rust and scale coats the inner walls of your engine block passages that drastically choke off the velocity of fluid moving through your radiator core. As these narrow passages become restricted, then the coolant flow slows down. That prevents heat from radiating effectively into the outside air. If left unchecked, these localized heat spots cause uneven expansion across the engine block and lead to costly metal fatigue, cracked blocks, and total mechanical failure. So, now let's understand why Japanese use white vinegar instead of commercial flushes. To understand why plain household white vinegar is so exceptionally effective, you have to look at the basic chemistry of cooling system deposits. Mineral scale deposits, consisting mainly of calcium carbonate and magnesium, are strongly alkaline compounds that form rigid crystalline bonds inside metal cooling passages. Standard household white vinegar contains roughly a 5% concentration of acetic acid. When this mild organic acid contacts alkaline mineral scale, then an immediate neutralization reaction occurs that breaks down the calcium bonds and converts solid scale into water-soluble calcium acetate. At the exact same time, the acetic acid reacts with iron oxide rust deposits and converts stubborn, insoluble rust particles into liquid ferric acetate that floats freely in the fluid. Japanese mechanics don't use commercial flush chemicals because these chemicals rely on far harsher acids, such as oxalic or phosphoric acid. These acids have pH values below 1.0, which can quickly degrade delicate rubber seals and pit raw aluminum surfaces if left unmonitored. Acetic acid provides a much gentler, self-limiting chemical reaction that strips away surface contamination while leaving the underlying solid metal components completely unharmed. When diluted further into a 50-50 mixture with distilled water, the effective pH of white vinegar stabilizes at roughly 3.0. That maximizes cleaning power while maintaining absolute structural safety. Steps to use vinegar safely for your cooling system. Here is the exact step-by-step protocol to execute this Japanese flush safely at home. Step 1. Turn off the engine and wait until the engine drops below 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Remove the radiator cap, open the bottom petcock, and drain the old, oxidized fluid into a catch pan. Step 3. After draining, tightly close the radiator drain plug. Step 4. Mix a 50-50 solution of white distilled vinegar and distilled water. Never use 100% straight vinegar. Step 5. Now pour the mixed solution into the radiator or reservoir until full. Step 6. Start the car and turn the interior heater to max heat to clear the heater core. Step 7. Let your engine idle for 15 to 20 minutes so the acetic acid circulates and breaks down internal buildup. But never drive with vinegar in the system. Driving builds high pressure and heat, making the acid too aggressive. Step 8. Turn off the car and let it cool down. Step 9. Remove the radiator drain plug and drain the mixture. Step 10. Again, tightly close the drain plug and fill the system entirely with 100% distilled water. Step 11. Turn on the engine and run it for 10 minutes. Step 12. Turn off the engine, let it cool down, and drain the distilled water. Step 13. Repeat this distilled water rinse 2 to 3 times until the water comes out crystal clear with no vinegar smell. Step 14. Now refill the cooling system with your manufacturer's specified coolant blend. Step 15. Run your engine with the cap off for 15 minutes to bleed out trapped air pockets, because trapped air creates localized hotspots that warp heads. Don't judge the result just by looking at the new coolant. The real test is how the vehicle behaves afterward. After flushing the cooling system, the temperature should remain stable under normal driving conditions. The heater should produce consistent heat. The cooling fans should operate when required, and the coolant level should remain stable after the system cools. When to avoid this method? While this trick works wonders on neglected cooling systems, but don't use vinegar in these 4 situations. Number 1. Severely corroded radiators. If your radiator is already heavily corroded, and rust or scale is actually sealing tiny cracks and weakened areas, then vinegar can dissolve those deposits and suddenly expose leaks that were previously hidden. What looked like a dirty cooling system can turn into coolant pouring onto your driveway. Number 2. Old, brittle rubber seals. Older cooling systems can contain rubber seals, O-rings, hoses, and gaskets that have already become hard and brittle from years of heat cycles. Leaving an acidic solution inside the system for an extended period can create additional problems for already aged components. That's why this trick should never be treated like an overnight soak. Number 3. High-performance magnesium engines. This one is especially important if you're working on a specialized engine or cooling system containing magnesium or other materials that are not intended for prolonged exposure to acidic solutions. Vinegar contains acetic acid, and the longer an acidic mixture remains in contact with sensitive metals, the more opportunity there is for unwanted chemical interaction or corrosion. Number 4. Skipping distilled rinses. And this may be the biggest mistake of all. Cleaning the cooling system is only half the job. The rinse is what finishes it. If you leave vinegar or dissolved contaminants behind and immediately pour in fresh coolant, you're mixing your new coolant with whatever acidic residue remains inside the engine, radiator, heater core, and passages. That can interfere with the carefully balanced corrosion inhibitors contained in modern coolant. The result? You may have started with a cleaner cooling system, but ended up compromising the very protection designed to prevent corrosion. After any approved cleaning procedure, thoroughly flush the system with the appropriate water until the outgoing water is clean and the cleaning solution is gone. The bottom line of this video is, a vinegar flush is not magic. It's applied chemistry that saves you thousands in unnecessary repairs when performed with discipline. If this video saved you from an overheating problem, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I will see you in the next video.